Right, question 4b says explain a possible reason why the median weekly earnings for doctors are lower than the mean weekly earnings. So this is pretty much straight up maths skills. Do you know the difference between mean and median, and can you explain why one might be higher than the other and what that actually means? So for 4 marks, you can get 2 marks just by explaining what the difference is. The fact that the mean is the total salary level divided by the number of workers, and the median is the ranked middle salary of your workforce. And just having that will give you some explanation. This explanation that I provided here is just an illustration. Let's say that you had 5 doctors lined up, and you say that you've got maybe 2 junior doctors, one who's just sort of completed the junior doctor program, so they're on like 30K, 30K, 40K. This doctor here is a bit more experienced and 50K, but one of them is a real specialist on 200K. And so if you worked at the median is just you line them up in order of their salaries. That guy's in the middle, so he's got the 40. The mean, however, is you add them all together and you divide by the number, which is to say 70. In this case, the mean is much larger than the median, and it's because of this guy here. And essentially, if you have a mean which is higher than your median, it's because you're skewing it by outliers. You're skewing it by very well-paid individuals. And a lot of people, to answer this question, you'd want to say that in the medical profession for doctors, there are likely to be some specialists who are on a very, very high wage, which means that therefore the mean is going to be skewed towards that higher wage, which is the exact interpretation that you want to have. And then you can also say, if you wanted to, that nurses probably have a more equal spread of salaries, which is why you're not going to see the same differentials in nurses, and which is why, according to the table, the doctor's median pay was less than the mean weekly pay, whereas for nurses it was pretty much the same. The mean was actually a little bit lower. That's pretty much straight up maths skills, so it's good to know the differences between those sorts of things so you can get those extra marks in a question like that.